Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing to you how I filmed my DIY videos from above using my Android phone only. Please subscribe to my channel for more. I have these three stuffs here, the 2-in-1 selfie stick, 2-in-1 tripod, and lazy pad, which I alternately use in my DIY vlogs. The number 1, the 2-in-1 selfie stick. It's a monopod that can be converted into a tripod. This is ideal for over-the-desk filming, which covers my table space or work desk area. The number 2, 2-in-1 tripod. This is great for filming a bigger coverage over my floor area if I'm working on a big DIY project. I can mount my Android phone or a DSLR camera on this tripod as well. This tripod has extendable legs, so it's longer than the 2-in-1 selfie stick. Number 3, the lazy pod with clips at both ends. Its arm is flexible and not so strong, so I had to clip it where there is something to support its arm. This is perfect for filming in both small and large areas, like I can film over my floor workspace or above my work desk. So that's all I can share on how I film my DIY videos from above. Thank you for watching. See you next time. So please subscribe to my channel for the coming videos. Bye!